Welcome to the Read Aloud for the Ancient Greece test. Question number 1. Which of the following would be an advantage to living in Athens over Sparta? Athenian women had more power in the government. Athens valued education more than Sparta. Athens had better military training than Sparta. Athens had less people involved in government. Number 2. What are military houses where Spartan children were trained called? Barracks, Agora, Acropolis, or Parthenon? Number 3. Who could participate in the Athenian democracy? Anyone who lived in Athens? All adult male citizens and slaves? All free adult male citizens? Or all free men and women? Number 4. Which of these bodies of water is not found in and around ancient Greece or the peninsula in which Greece is a part of? The Indian Ocean, Mediterranean Sea, Ionian Sea, or Aegean Sea? Number 5. What was the large open area that served as a market and where people could meet and debate issues? The Acropolis, Democracy, Mall, or Agora? Number 6. Blank is the home of the 12 main gods and goddesses. Mount Everest, Mount Pindus, Mount Olympus, or the Acropolis? Number 7. Which of the following is not a Greek accomplishment? Epics like the Iliad and Odyssey, inventions such as the first ship and wheelbarrow, competitions like the Olympics, or contributions to democracy? Number 8. The blank was a unit of soldiers who rode into battle on horseback. Agora, polis, phalanx, or cavalry? Number 9. Which of the following is a government where a few wealthy people rule? Oligarchy, monarchy, democracy, or communism? Number 10. What do you call a Spartan army formation which involved the overlapping of shields? Cavalry, assembly, phalanx, or polis? Number 11. Which type of government is ruled by a king or queen? Democracy, monarchy, oligarchy, or aristocracy? Number 12. The Greeks believed in many gods such as Zeus, Poseidon, and Hades. This means the Greeks were polytheistic, democratic, monotheistic, or Islamic. Number 13. How does Athenian democracy differ from our democracy? Athens didn't allow foreigners to vote or make decisions. Athens had less people on a jury than we have today. Women have more rights in Athenian democracy. In Athens, they directly voted to make decisions, and we elect representatives. Number 14. What is a person who held power through the use of force? Is it a king, a savage, a tyrant, or an aristocrat? Number 15. Blank were athletic competitions held every 4 years in honor of Zeus. Assembly, Olympics, Agora, or Phalanx? Number 16. Which of the following describes Spartan women? They were treated harshly, almost like slaves. They mostly fought as soldiers alongside men. They were trained to build up their bodies and were allowed to own land, or all of the above. Number 17. Greece is a peninsula made up of mountains and islands with lots of surrounding water. Is that true or false? Number 18. What was the raised, fortified area that was the highest place in the city called? The Oligarchy, Parthenon, Agora, or Acropolis? Number 19. In Athens, wealthy boys went to school to learn reading, writing, arithmetic, music, and physical education, were taught astronomy, geometry, and science, became farmers and grew food for the wealthy, studied warfare, and were placed in the army. They could retire at age 60. Number 20. Blank is a government in which power is shared by all citizens. Monarchy, democracy, oligarchy, or dictatorship. Number 21. True or false? In ancient Greece, if your baby was born with a physical disability or was considered weak, the parents had the right to abandon their child to protect the strength of their city-state. Again, is that false or is that true? Number 22. Blank was the god of war and battle. Zeus, Apollo, Ares, or Hades. Number 23. A short tale that teaches a lesson is called a tragedy, fable, epic poem, or comedy. Number 24. On what continent is ancient Greece located? Europe, Asia, Africa, or North America? Number 25. A group of people gathered in one place together for a common purpose is called and blank. Gathering, convention, assembly, or concert. Number 26. In ancient Greece, how many people were allowed to serve on a jury? 2, 12, 500, or they varied in size. Again, if you need to play back the video, you can always reverse it. Please make sure when you finish your quiz that you click Submit Quiz. You have 3 attempts at this quiz. The highest score will be the one taken in the grade book. When you finish with your test, please make sure you see Ms. Cottrell for your next assignment.